if you want your microphone quality to go from this to this, keep watching. By the end, you'll have a quality like this. What's up, guys? It's Vex here. Today I got a different type of video. This isn't a normal gaming video like you guys are probably used to with this channel. Instead, I got some different kind of content I'm gonna try. I've been getting asked a lot about the audio quality and setup I'm using. A lot of people think it's more expensive. It's only a $50 setup though. The microphone at least is $50. And I've been requested a lot to do a tutorial on how I do my audio, so figured I'd do that today. I'll be showing you some OBS settings you need to change, Windows, and the advanced way I do it. That is actually 100% free. You can actually make a normal headset microphone sound this quality. So any links that you will need is going to be down in the description below, and hope you enjoy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your OBS, which I have mine open right here. You want to go to your settings, audio. This is all of your audio settings. You want to make sure your sample rate is at the highest it can be. And most people will put their microphone on here, but I feel like this is the worst way to do it. So instead, you want to open a scene, and you want to make an audio source. And you want to choose your microphone that you currently use, or you can click default. The reason why you don't want to do this is because if you switch scenes, your microphone will always still be displaying. So as you can see, mine is right here, and it's actually talking with me. You want to open your settings and your audio, and you want to turn this down so you are about here where mine's at, so about 2 when you're talking. If you're in the red, like this, if you're going in the yellow to red, you do not want that. Most people will go about 0 or a little bit lower than that. Now this is all I do in my OBS settings because I use another routing method for my audio. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to your Windows settings. So if you go down to your taskbar, you right click this. You can actually open the sound settings. It's a little bit faster this way. And you will be on a screen that looks like this. You do not need to worry about the output. Input. You want to go all the way to more sound settings. And this should open up. From here you want to go to recording. And you want to find your microphone in this list. So you should have a lot or a little, depends. So for example, I have 2 of them. You want to go to your main, which this is my main right here. You want to right click, and you want to click set as default device and communication device. Once you do that, you will open it, and you will click advanced. You want to make sure this is on the max it can be, as well as disable this. You do not want audio enhancements because we'll be doing that ourselves in the next steps. Before we get to the advanced part of the video, I'd like to do a special shout out to the members of the channel. They actually requested this video and kind of helped push it. Becoming a member helps motivate the channel to make different type of content. I'd like to give those shout out to those people. I also stream every single day over on Twitch and on YouTube, but it's mainly over on Twitch. So you can follow that, and I can answer some tech questions over there. Alright, let's get back to the video. Now is for the secret sauce of how I actually make my microphone sound good quality. Disclaimer, the middle of recording, the software is not in beta anymore, so everything works except for the download process. So new download process, you will go to Elgato, downloads, and you'll download this. You'll click download like you normally do, or sometimes it could be on this screen. Depends on when you look at this though, but it's guaranteed in the downloads, in the wave link. Everything else will work the same. Once everything is downloaded and you have it open, you should be on a screen that looks like this. You do not have to download or buy anything else that comes with the microphone part. So to add all of these things, you want to go back to Elgato, the marketplace this time. You want to go to your wave link, and you will want to get the equalizer here. Click it, go through the process, and that's all you really need to change the quality. Once you have that downloaded, you go through these steps. You will want to create a channel. You'll find your microphone, you'll click it, it'll add it to this. Then you have to click add, and add this, have only, that you want to have only a microphone on its separate channel. This is what makes it be able to hear things. You want to click the edit button right there, add effect. You want to add EQ. When you open EQ, it will not look like this. It will be a straight line. You want to try to adjust the EQ to how you need it with your microphone. ChatGPT is a very good thing here because every single person has a different type of voice. A good template will be down in the description below. Once you have that, you close this window. Once you have your, just like I have mine labeled just microphone, you'll go back to your sound settings. You want to go to your more settings. Find the name that you put here, and that will be your new device. That will be your main microphone. You route to everything instead of your normal microphone. It'll be routed to this, and this will route everything for you, so you have the quality. And that's how you can make your microphone sound more professional. If the video helped at all, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's 100% free to do so and helps support and shows that you guys want more content like this. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll do an advanced OBS setup on how I stream and get good quality while having not much resources on your computer taken away. Take care.